Welcome to ID Sign CA, your trusted certifying authority for all your digital certification needs, including digital signature certificates, eSign, TSA, and PKI services. This official guide is your step-by-step companion to obtaining an individual digital signature certificate, DSC, online, confidently and correctly. Whether you're applying for yourself or helping someone else, we'll walk you through each step, from choosing the right certificate and completing your purchase to eKYC verification and secure DSC download. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search ID Sign CA. Click on the official website www.idsignca.com. Once the homepage loads, click on the Buy option from the top menu. You'll be redirected to the Buy DSC page. Here, you will see two categories: 1. Individual or organization, and 2. Foreign individual or organization. Next, choose your requirements. Usage type: individual, organization, DGFT, document signer. For this demonstration, let's proceed with an individual DSC. Certificate validity: 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. Type of DSC: sign only or encryption only or sign plus encryption combo. Once selected, the page will display your selection. Class 3 signature: individual, valid for 2-year DSC with services. On the right-hand side, you'll see the DSC price. Now, click on Buy DSC to proceed to the eKYC page. You'll now be redirected to the eKYC page. If you are a new user, click on Register as New User. If you already have an eKYC ID and password, simply sign in. Or forgot your credentials? No worries. Just click on Forget eKYC User ID to recover your login details easily. Now coming back to Register as New User. Enter your 10-digit mobile number and request an OTP. Once received, enter the OTP and submit. You now have access to the eKYC portal. Now, please enter your partner ID and validate it. If you do not have one, you may leave this field blank. Next, select a hardware token from the drop-down. This is mandatory for DSC download. On the right panel, you again have the option to change the following: product type, certificate type, validity. Carefully review the selected product or DSC type before proceeding. Now, enter the required details: your PAN number, your name as per the PAN, your date of birth, applicant's mobile number, applicant's email ID. Once all details are filled, click the Next button to continue. No partner ID has been entered, so a pop-up came. It is recommended to enter the partner ID or continue without it. Next, you will be prompted for email verification. Enter the OTP received on your email and click Verify OTP. Once the OTP is verified successfully, you will be redirected to the next page for eKYC PIN. Enter the 6-digit numeric PIN, re-enter the same PIN to confirm, and then click on the Continue button. A pop-up will appear confirming that your eKYC ID and PIN have been updated successfully. Please note, activation will only take place after verification. Click OK on the pop-up, and then proceed for KYC option. The page will now ask, would you like to proceed with Aadhaar? If you click yes, you will continue with Aadhaar-based eKYC, online, offline, or using biometric verification. If you click no, you will proceed with PAN-based DSC. PAN-based DSC is recommended if you're facing issues accessing Aadhaar, as it removes Aadhaar dependency. In this example, we are selecting no to proceed with PAN-based DSC. Now, scroll down to enter the applicant's bank details. Enter your bank account number and then re-enter the same number to confirm. Next, enter the account holder's name. Now, enter the IFSC code. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. And then click on the Submit button to verify your bank details. If all the details are correct, a pop-up will appear saying, Bank verification successful. Click OK to close the pop-up, then click on the Proceed button to move to the next page. A pop-up will appear with the reference number generated for your current application. Please note it down carefully for future use. You will receive email updates regarding your application status as you complete different stages. Now, click on the Close button to continue. This page contains 3 sections, and some details may already be pre-filled. Section 1, PAN details. These fields are auto-filled. Please check the PAN number and the customer name carefully. This information will appear on your DSC. Section 2, Address details. Enter the address as per your valid address proof, which you'll be asked to upload on the next page. Start by entering the PIN code. Some fields will autofill based on it. Then, enter your address. And verify pre-filled city, state, and country names. Section 3, Applicant Proof of Identity. Click the drop-down to select your identity proof. We recommend selecting Applicant PAN, as this is a PAN-based DSC. Now, click on the Upload button and upload your PAN card. You can also drag and drop the file into the designated upload area. Once the upload is complete, you will see a Uploaded Successfully confirmation message. And the name of your uploaded document will appear on the screen. Now, carefully verify all the fields on this page, especially those marked with a red asterisk, which indicates mandatory fields. This information will be used throughout the entire application process. After verifying, click the Next button to continue. Just like the previous page, click the drop-down and select one of the available address proof documents. Please note, for documents that are generated monthly, only those issued within the last 3 months are accepted. We recommend uploading the most recent version of the document. In this example, we have selected Aadhaar card as the address proof. Since Aadhaar has 2 sides, please upload the front side under the front side of Aadhaar section and the back side under the back side section. Alternatively, if your Aadhaar contains both sides in a single document, upload the same file in both places. Section 2, Applicant Additional Documents. In this section, kindly select applicant photo from the drop-down menu. Click on the Upload button and upload a recent, real, and colored passport size photo of the applicant. Wait for a few seconds. Once uploaded, you will see a Upload Successfully confirmation message. Now, click on the Continue button to proceed. This is the Confirm Details page, where you can review all the information you've entered so far. You'll now see the payment option. If you wish to pay later, click Yes. If you want to proceed with the payment now, click No. In this example, we have selected Yes, Pay Later. If you need to make any changes, click the Edit Details button. Otherwise, click on Confirm Details button to proceed to the video recording page. You can also record the video using either a mobile browser or desktop browser independently. Simply visit www.idsignca.com/resume or go to our official website and access the video recording section from there. Open your browser and search IDSignCA. Click on idsignca.com. Scroll down and click the Record button. You'll reach the Resume application page. You can also access this page by searching idsign.app. Click the Search page. Go to Repository and select Video Record from the drop-down. Now choose Application plus Mobile. Enter your reference number, mobile number, and the CAPTCHA. Click Validate. You'll get an OTP on your mobile. Enter the OTP and click on Verify OTP. You will be redirected to the Confirm Details page where you previously left the application process. Now, click on the Confirm Details button to proceed to the video recording page. This page requires access to your camera and microphone for video recording. Please ensure both permissions are granted. Once access is allowed, the camera will activate automatically. Please follow these instructions carefully. You can record your video in any language. Read the sentence shown on the screen clearly. Example: My name is Aarti Kumari. The code is 321. I want to apply for a DSC from ID Sign CA. Make sure your name and the code are clearly spoken. Recording guidelines: keep both eyes open. Face must be clearly visible, no mask, no head covering, no sunglasses. Show original documents uploaded with your application, like PAN, Aadhaar, or organizational documents, depending on your DSC type. The documents should be clearly visible in the video. Multiple language options are available. Simply select your preferred language before starting the recording. You will appear within the camera frame. Adjust your position as needed, then click on the Start Video Record button. The camera will begin recording, and a reverse countdown timer will be displayed on the screen. During this time, read the sentence shown, such as: My name is Aarti Kumari. The code is 321. I want to apply for a DSC from ID Sign CA. Also, display your original documents as instructed earlier. Once the countdown reaches 0, the recording will stop automatically. To review your video, click the play button and use the maximize option to view it clearly. If everything is correct and the documents are clearly visible, click Upload to submit. Otherwise, click Retake to record the video again. After the upload, a confirmation page will appear. Your application will now be verified and processed by our verification team shortly. Click the Proceed to Pay button if you wish to make the payment now. Otherwise, click Sign Into Dashboard to go to the eKYC login page. This is the same page where you started your application. Click on the Sign In button to continue. If the reference number is not approved, log in with email and mobile. If approved, use eKYC ID or PAN and mobile. Since it is not approved now, we will choose email and mobile. Now enter your email ID, then enter your mobile number. Click Verify with OTP, and after verification, you will gain access to the dashboard. Click on Manage Applications. Check the current status. Wait a few minutes while the backend verification team reviews your application. If everything is correct, they will approve it. If there is an issue, they will raise an objection and mention the required changes. Make the corrections and resubmit for approval. After a few minutes, once your application is approved, the status will change to Final Approved. Whenever you log in after approval, the subscriber agreement page appears. Click Sign Agreement and wait a moment for confirmation. A pop-up will appear displaying Agreement signed successfully. Now, click OK to proceed. A new action, Sign Application, will appear. Click on Sign Application to proceed. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes. After a few seconds, a success message will be displayed. An alert will appear stating Success. Submit it for verification. Click OK to continue. A new action will appear. Set download pin. It's required for DSC download. Click the Set Download PIN button. Enter a 6-digit PIN, re-enter it to confirm, and remember it for future DSC download. Click Set Download PIN to save. An alert will confirm that the PIN has been set successfully. Click OK to proceed to the next action. The status now shows ready to download, but since payment is pending, you cannot download the DSC yet. Click the Pay Now action button. Check the box to confirm terms and conditions, then click Pay. Select your payment method: credit card or debit card, UPI, net banking, wallet, EMI, or others. After successful payment, a payment confirmation page will appear. Take a screenshot for future reference, then click Close. The status now shows ready to download, and only 2 actions are visible. 1. Download signed document. 2. Reset download PIN. Congratulations! This means there is nothing pending from your side. You are now able to download the DSC. We will demonstrate the DSC download process in another video. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide made your DSC process easy and clear. Stay tuned for more helpful videos. See you next time.